Hey everyone, this is the Winner's Choice Ammo from Mr. Danny Boy Holland, 10 at 3. Thanks everybody for helping him fill that. Copy the list. And go live. 909. Paste the list. Roll our dice. We need a 4 or higher. 909. We have an 11. 910. 10 items on the list. It's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. After the 10th time, there's still 10 items on the list. Mr. Jason Blackwell is on the top. Mr. Jason McCormick is on the bottom. We're randomized 10 times. The dice call for an 11. 9, 10. Last and final time. Good luck, everyone. Spot 4, Miss Samantha McCormick is the winner. Congrats, Miss Samantha. 10 items on the list. 11 times. The dice call for an 11. And we are done. 9, 10. Rolling over to 9, 11. I'll let that roll over. 9, 11. Thanks, everyone.